Hey, happy to see that you joined our meetup group. Let's see here. Let's make sure you can see me. Anyway, so I'm Sandy. I'm your fearless leader. No, I'm actually the admin for the meetup group. I own Reno SEO, marketing, and web design. Been doing this for about 23 years. Before COVID, we would meet in person once a month at a coffee house or a restaurant, somewhere fun. And I would give free advice to any business that would show up in front of the whole group of people that would show up. We'd have anywhere from 60 to 70 businesses from Reno show up every month. And it was a great opportunity for businesses to network with other Reno area businesses, as well as get some free marketing advice from me. It was a lot of fun. So obviously things have changed, and we put everything online. We started doing Zoom calls. And what I learned was that it was too distracting to do a live Zoom call. Too many people trying to get in the room. Could you imagine having 50 businesses trying to ask a question at the same time? It was not fun. So what we did was we switched the model to where it's still virtual for now. We're looking to do something in person in a couple of months. Super excited about that. But in the meantime, what we're doing is when you RSVP for an event, you need to text me your business name, your website address, or what your goals are, and what questions you have, or what you're working on. And then what I do is I'm going to create a video like this and answer your question. So it's a fun way for you and your business to get some free exposure. We have a little over 500 Reno area businesses in our marketing group. So once I create this video and answer all of the questions, I would love to be able to have like your logo or a link to your website or your social profile, or a way for other people to reach out to you, because I'm going to have a video editor add all of that in later. So this is new for us, but I think that would be a fun, beneficial way for businesses to get help with the digital marketing needs that they have, as well as reach more people. Share your logo or a link to your website or your favorite social profile. So if there are any other businesses in the group that would love to order your products or services, they can get to know you. What I'd love to do is to get every member in the group to do a short little intro video. Hey, this is who I am. This is, my business. This is what we sell. And these are my hobbies. This is what I love to do. Let's get together and go for a hike or something. Real networking, making, real connections. And we'll figure it out. We'll find a way to make that happen. But please, if you RSVP'd for one of my free marketing workshops, please email me or text me your business name, your website address, or your social media site at the very least. And then if you have any questions or anything that you're working on with marketing, and then I'll be able to create a video and answer your questions, and then help you get a little bit of marketing in the mix somewhere. Anyway, message me or comment in the section below and let me know if you have any questions that I can help with. I've been doing this 23 years, very good at what I do. And I look forward to seeing you at our next in-person event as well. So I'm hoping middle of June. Maybe we'll meet at a park and everyone brings their own lunch, and we'll do a little networking and then share a little bit about our business. And then you can start asking me questions, and I'll do a live fire round like I used to do before COVID hit. Anyway, have a great weekend. I'm so glad to see you on here, and I look forward to learning more about you. All right, take care.